In front of me is Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on this pen one. Select Auto Rotate feature and drag it to the top. Then go back and now click on it. As you can see, now it's pink. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same icon. But you can also go into device settings and choose display. Over here, scroll down and click on the switcher. Click on Auto Rotate Screen Feature, and then click on the switcher next to Use Auto Rotate to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!